Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. On this video, I will be describing about using Gantt chart for project tracking. A project goes live and a task is week later. We can show this in the Gantt chart. What if you see trouble coming before it hit? Gantt chart are used your schedule early warning system. This answer Gantt chart will give you. Let's dive into the more content about the Gantt chart. Let's understand what is the Gantt chart. It's the timeline view of the project tasks on the bar on the calendar. If you see this rectangular box, it represents the bar, and on the x-axis you can see the timeline, and on the y-axis you can see the activities name. It shows the start and end date. You can see this one is the start one and this is the end date of this activity, and it is named after the handy Gantt and still the project management tool today. Why do we use the Gantt chart? It gives a big picture. See the entire project schedule at a glance. You can see the whole project activities in a schedule in this diagram. Another one is we can see the dependency. You can see that after this finish, this activity is starting. So it provides the dependency of the tasks, and it also align all the team member in the same page. When we share the Gantt chart to the team member, they were aware about the project timeline and we are all in the same page. Let us take an example of building a deck. The tasks which we require for building a deck is first we need the design, then we need to prepare site, then we need to build frame and install the board and paint it. We can plot these activities in the Gantt chart by week schedule. We'll see in the coming video about it, and as the work progress we can update the chart and export the delay immediately. Key element of the Gantt. Let us understand the key element of the Gantt chart. First is the task bar. You can see a rectangle box which represent the start and finish date of an activity, and the length depend upon the duration of the task. So it is one duration and this is the end date. So it will represent the duration, and arrow represent the finish to start or linkage between them. If we see here, this is finish to start relationship, and diamond represent milestone on the project. And if you see this line, this is the line represent the data date. Before this activities, the activities has been complete, and we are reporting on this date. So it provides a clear picture for the team. Gantt chart is used for tracking the progress. When you update the bar as the task complete, then it will be filled with the percentage or activities done. Either the color will be blue or it will change into a different color when you update the bar. And we use the baseline to compare the tracking of the project. We check the project with the baseline and compare the current situation of the project. And another thing is highlight the delay. If the activities is delayed, the color change or task color change to red, which means that the activities is delayed. So by this way we can track the progress of the project in the Gantt chart. Gantt chart is a very collaborative and reporting tool for the planner. We share the Gantt chart in status meetings and reports so that the team understand what is the situation of the project. We provide a cloud tool, so we update the team Gantt so that whole team access the Gantt chart, and if there is any delay in the bar, then we flag it up with the teams, ask the reason what was the delay for it. So for collaboration and reporting process, Gantt chart is very helpful. From this video you can see that Gantt chart is a roadmap and the dashboard for a project. You can present your whole information in the Gantt chart and provide it with your team and share it so that they are on the same page and they understand the Gantt chart very easily. And it helps to capture the delay earlier so that in future if there is any early one, then we can mitigate it easily. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe for more project management tips. Visit the Gantt channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you.